Welcome everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss about the uh, ICSE board question, which is it is ICSE class 10th uh, question number 2, year of 2022. Okay, so I am going to discuss about this question. So, as always, package name it is optional in your examination also, so you can give or not, it doesn't matters. Okay, so I am going to create the class. First I am going to show you the question. Okay, so question is here: define a class to perform binary search on a list of integers given below. To search for an element input by the user, if it is found, display the element along with its position, otherwise display message the message element not found. Okay, so these are the elements. Okay, and just a second. Yeah, these are the elements which we need to input. Okay, so these elements we need to input. Okay, and I am going to start. First, define a class. So we need to define a class like public class. I am giving the class name is binary search. Okay, and then I am going to open the main method, public static void main string arguments, and it is saying that we need to perform binary search on a list of integers given below to search for an element input by the user. Okay, so binary search can be performed in an on an sorted array. So we need to create an array. Integer array is equals to new integer, and the size is, it's this array size is 10. Okay, I have created an array, and then I am going to take input. To take input, we need to create a scanner class object. Scanner s is equals to new scanner system.in, and import the package, import java dot util dot scanner, and I am going to give the message system dot out dot println, enter the elements. Okay, now I am writing the logic to take input. Integer x is equals to 0, x less than a dot length a, sorry, not a, x plus plus, and then a of x is equals to s dot next int. That's it. I have written the logic to take input the 10 elements in an array. Okay, so now if it is found, display. If it is found, uh, uh, just a second. Define a class to perform list of integers to search for an element of. Here we don't need to take input. Okay, we need to take input but not 10 elements. Okay, so there is a little bit of mistake I have done. So already 10 elements has given. Okay, already 10 elements has given. So I am going to directly assign. Okay, you have to also do like same. First, you need to read the question carefully. Otherwise, you will also do these kinds of mistakes. Okay, now we need to take input. Okay, so to take input, I am giving the message enter the search element. Okay, search element. So search element, I am taking integer x is equals to search element. Okay, I have taken. I will search x element is x, the value of x is available in my array or not. If value is available, then I will show the position, and if value will not be available, then I will show the search element not found. Okay, so I am going to write the logic. Okay, so before starting the logic, I am going to write integer. I am going to create some variables. Integer start index is equals to 0. Integer end index is equals to array of length. Okay, and integer middle index mid is equals to start plus and divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. Now while start less than or equals to end, then middle is equals to same logic we need to write start plus and by 2, and then if mm, a of middle element is equals to mm, x, then I am going to create one more variable. Okay, integer found is equals to -1. Okay, so found is equals to 1. Okay, and then it will break else if. Okay, um, a x greater than a of middle, then what we need to do, start is equals to middle plus 1. Okay, else and is equals to middle -1. Okay, now I am going to display my output. If found is greater than -1, then system dot out dot println element x plus element found on position middle plus 1. Okay, we need to display the position also. So position must be starts from 1. Position always starts from 1. Index starts from 0, but position starts from 1. So that's why I have written middle plus 1. Okay. Next, if if my value has not found, then else system dot out dot println search element not found. That's it. So now I am going to start the execution of this program. Compile, compile successfully. Okay. So I'm going to enter the search element. I am giving 10. So tell element found on position 4. Okay. Now I am going to run this program, and then at this time I am giving 97, which is not available. Okay. So here I am everyone here I am getting the error. Okay, because of index out of bounds exception, where I have done the error. A start is equals to 0, but end will not be a dot length, because length always returns the counting number. Okay, which is starts from 1. So we need to do -1. Okay, because of ending element will be length -1 always. So that's why it was giving the error. You need to also remember these types of logic. Okay, so now I am going to give the correct number and false number both. So first I am giving 20. 20 is available inside the array. So 20 is element found on position 6. Okay, it is working correct. And now I am giving another number which is not available, like 101. Okay, so it is showing search element not found. Okay, so it is the very basic. Okay, now you don't need to get complexity. First you need to know about the start, end and middle. Okay, the very simple logic is this. You need to know about the start, end and middle. That's it. And there is the logic to search the binary, to perform the binary operation. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this logic. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you.